Well, real excitement here. The signing has been completed and we're about to see his debut. Will he hit the ground running? And a warm welcome. This is the scene here at the Etihad Stadium. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me, ready to provide all the analysis, is Stuart Robson. I'm very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It is Manchester City up against Newcastle United.
Well, City got off to a good start on the opening day. Yes, there were a few tired legs towards the end of the game, but in the main, they looked well drilled out.
Could be! And simple for the keeper. And so the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson is the goalkeeper. Bernardo Silva plays alongside Kevin De Bruyne in the centre of midfield. And handed the task of playing up front is Erling Haaland. Well, you've got to conclude that it was completely overhit. Davies. Must be! Stopped a surefire goal. And here's the Newcastle formation.
Yeah, the same formation and the same sort of game plan. So this will all be about which individuals can get the better of their opponent. This will be a tough battle.
And the keeper's hand does the trick. Alphonso Davies. Well, there was considerable speculation swirling around this deal. Now it's been done, and Kylian Mbappe makes his debut.
Oh, big moment here, Derek.
And nicely parried away. Anderson. Well, it could be on for him here. A magnificent stop.
Well, it should be a goal, but take nothing away from the keeper. That's a brilliant save.
There's been so much speculation in terms of whether the transfer would go ahead, but it will go ahead, Stuart.
Yes, it's an exciting move for him, and hopefully we'll now see the best of him. But he'll need to settle in quickly to win over the fans. The move suits everybody, I think.
Well, it was an impressive performance by Manchester City in the last game as they won against Burnley. What do you expect to see? And in with a real chance! Oh, it's in! And a goal on his debut, no less. What a way to endear yourself to the fans!
Let's have a look at the replay. What a through ball this is by Haaland. And Mbappe just hits it with such confidence. He strikes it so cleanly. It's a great goal.
So the ball rolling again with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Jamal Lascelles. Byrne. And credit due, a good intervention. Elliot Anderson seemingly cannot keep hold of the ball here. He's going forward well here. And passing it through. Excellent position taken up by Mbappe. Oh, he's done it! And it's a debut double to the delight of his fans.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace on the counter-attack. They were so quick to break out from their defensive positions, and all you can do is admire the finish by Mbappe. He hits the ball so cleanly, it's a fantastic strike.
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. Anthony Gordon. Well, now he's let that run out of play, and it will be a throw-in here. De Bruyne. Mbappe with it. Mbappe. Mbappe! Spectacular save. Top-class goalkeeping. Kevin De Bruyne with the corner. No nonsense clearance. Phil Foden. Must be, and in! Oh yes! Exactly what they were hoping to produce. They've delivered the goal.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really good bit of play. Watch how he turns his marker and then has the composure to finish. That's a top-class goal.
So the action continues, and City really cantering to victory here. Gordon. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. Holland. Now with Silva. Sloppy there, Bernardo Silva. And so the half-time whistle is sounded here in Manchester. Well, I think it's fair to say, Stuart, that so into the second half, and the Magpies have work ahead of them. Now sliding in field. Mbappe. Nathan Ake here. Back to Mbappe. Hold on! In position, but pressure to cope with. Well, this is certainly the home of live football, EA TV, and looking forward to bringing you more action from the Premier League. It's Manchester City facing Sheffield United.
Well, the fixtures are coming thick and fast. It should be a good game, that. Hopefully I've not just given it the commentator's curse.
Seemed to switch off for a moment, and now a throw-in. Here it is now, a substitution. Matt Target. Marcos Llorente. Strong but fair tackle. De Bruyne. Return to Mbappe. Oh, he's gone for goal! Well, actually pretty easy for the goalkeeper in the end. Well, Newcastle have it back now. Barnes. The defender doing his job. Isak. Oh, a challenge of the highest order. De Bruyne. And we have more live Premier League action coming up for you soon on EA TV. It's Newcastle United taking on Liverpool.
Well, that should be a really good game between two entertaining...
Oh, wait a minute. They could be in here. And there is the goal. He's found the net. Joy unconfined.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And this is Haaland at his very best. He's composed, he shows great technique, and he just smashes it beyond the keeper.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. Almiron did well to win the ball back. And it's with Isak. Chance for Isak. Oh yes, a goal! Exactly what they were looking for, and he's come up with it.
Well, here it is again. He goes past his marker so easily with just a drop of the shoulder, and he makes the finish look so easy. What a good goal that is.
Goals in plentiful supply. 4-1 currently. Ake. On to Silva. Ake. And a useful cross. Oh, disappointing clearance. And in the end, no damage done. Counter-attacking chance. Looked like an effective counter-attack, but brilliantly read. Almiron. Has eyes for goal. Well, in some style, Ederson prevents a goal. Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match.
To be replaced by
playing it in. And a super header. It looked as though it might be going in. Jérémy Doku. Walker now. Doku. Good idea. Holland. Can they convert? Oh, a goal! As he makes it a hat-trick, and no wonder he's off celebrating.
Well, it's a very simple finish in the end, but his movement was really good. He just found himself a bit of space in the box when it mattered most.
Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed. Callum Wilson. Mbappe with it. Mbappe, he's in with a chance. Shaping to shoot. Well, he hit it with authority. Close. They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Burn. And there goes the final whistle. A real sense of feel-good for City fans everywhere. They take the 3 points from this game. What did you make of it?
Well, Derek, it's another good display by them. On the evidence of the first couple of matches, they look a very good team.
I've been robbed, and I'm robbed too, but I've never robbed purses. It's deep if you scratch at the surface. I don't ask what's the damage, cause I'm sure that it didn't do damage.
This is it. A can't-miss game and a backdrop to match what is a special occasion. The fans had this one circled on their calendars long ago, and now it's a matter of who will dominate on the pitch. Top players, big characters on the big stage, a highly exciting prospect. Stay with us here on EA TV. We'll have every kick of the ball for you live. Hello everyone, always a joy to be here in South Yorkshire. We're at Bramall Lane. I'm Derek Ray, ready here in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfielder Stuart Robson. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It's Sheffield United facing Manchester City.
Well, Derek, it's been a good start for City. They've looked good going forward.
Oh, and a penalty has been awarded. Big moment here. Can they get themselves ahead? And on the back of that decision, now it's a caution.
Well, it's a tight call, but in the end, I think he's got it right. A penalty and a yellow card.
Can he make it 1-0? And the keeper denies them from the spot.
Well, they won't get too many opportunities today, so they have to capitalise from set pieces like this.
Trying to pick out a teammate. Oh, no end product. Well, there's the pullback. Well read to put an end to that attack. It's got to be! And a decent save, full credit. Played over. Nicely blocked. Gvardiol. And the ball with Alphonso Davies. And snuffed out the danger immediately. Plenty of forward momentum here, but can they produce? Must take the lead here. Oh, he's been denied. And they remain locked together.
Well, that's a good save, but really he should have scored from there. That's a big chance.
Gvardiol. Phil Foden now. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Foden. Might be a chance here. Couldn't beat the keeper, unfortunately for him.
Well, I think that's a bad miss. He just never looked convincing as he went through there.
Well, we finally get a chance to have a look at the new signing, Trent Alexander-Arnold, wearing his new colours. What can the viewers expect to see from him, Stuart?
Well, he's the perfect modern-day fullback. He defends well in 1v1 situations. He's a good athlete, and he gets forward to provide an attacking threat. It'll be interesting to see how...
Oh, might be. Determined defending. Kylian Mbappe. Effective pressure to regain possession. Well, you've got to conclude that it was completely overhit. Mbappe. Ball back with Sheffield United now. McBurney. Austin Trusty. It did look on for them, but not to be. And the attack looks promising. Who can he pick out? Really good build-up, but no end product. Austin Trusty. McBurney. Pulls it back. Surely! And the keeper's hand does the trick. A chance to nudge in front. Corner kick here.
Well, this is a big moment, and don't these fans know it?
Who can he pick out? Tremendous block. Is it going to be a goal? The opening statement of the match, a richly deserved lead, and now they can celebrate.
Well, let's have another look, because this is a goal they have thoroughly deserved. They've played really well so far.
So City get things going again, and the onus is on them to erase the damage done by that concession. Silva. And a fine tackle. Oliver McBurney. Oh, this is looking promising. And it's space opening up. What a block! Well, they've won themselves a corner and a chance perhaps to add an additional goal for security. It's a short one. Cuts it back. Shot blocked but still alive. Basham. Now with Gomez. Not what he was intending. Bad pass. Gomez. Thomas. Could be a chance to break here. Well, they couldn't quite use that break in the manner that they'd hoped. Succeeded in keeping it in play. Two minutes of stoppage time coming up. Alphonso Davies. And offside it is. Gomez. Could be. Nicely saved. Half time then. That brings the first half to a close. Away they go again. Second half is underway here. McBurney, and after the cross, a tremendous block. Well, keeping it on the ground, slightly off target, however. Gvardiol, and the ball with Alphonso Davies. Sheffield United doing well to regain possession. There's been so much speculation in terms of whether the transfer would go ahead, but it will go ahead, Stuart.
Well, he's certainly got ability. A lot of clubs have been in for him, but now he needs to fulfil that potential. He might just have to be patient, though.
Mbappe. And the danger clear. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Now can they counter clinically? Good work from Sheffield United to win back possession. Oliver McBurney. Oh, great vision. Looking for someone to play it to. And that's fantastic goalkeeping to get across and deal with the danger. And the substitution will occur now.
Substitution for Sheffield United. Coming off the pitch, number 20, James Bolden. To be replaced by number 3.
He's driven in the corner. Just knocked it out of there. Oh, that's a fine save. Corner once more. Oh, that's not a good clearance. Oh, the threat is there. Well, not a great ball played in. Kevin De Bruyne. Well, just to point you in the right direction, we have more live action from the Premier League coming up here on EA TV. It's Sheffield United facing Everton. Hamer. And they need to get tighter. Could cross it in here. Oh, magnificent reaction. played into the box. Just 20 minutes remaining now. Now he must favour the cross. Mbappe. On to Holland. Gonna get a try. Great defending. Just a quick reminder, we have more action from the Premier League coming your way. It's Manchester City facing Fulham. The referee's letting it go as they keep the ball. Well, he stopped them in their tracks. Well, no point in stopping play, advantage with them. Ryan Brewster. Now the counter-attack looks on. Just the challenge that was required. 10 minutes to go then. And foul it is then. Well, not long to go here, and City find themselves behind in this one, Stuart.
Well, they've certainly lacked a goal threat up to this point. There's been little invention, no real combination play around the box, and the crosses have been erratic. But there is still time to find that moment of inspiration.
Well, they might be able to launch a counter-attack. Not a great challenge, free kick here. Well, you have to conclude, Stuart, an opportunity wasted.
Yeah, and the other players are furious with it, and rightly so. That's such a poor free kick.
Alphonso Davies. On to Silva. Holland. Manchester City have work to do, but is it going to happen for them? This could level it. Oh, denied by the post. Well, threat averted. Archer. And so the referee blows for full time, and it's disappointment for Manchester City, a defeat for them. Your assessment of the performance?
Well,